wives with bearded husbands, come here, listen up. I'm not saying Father's Day needs to be a big production, but my wife gets the royal treatment every Mother's Day. I've gotten this mug 6 years in a row. It's my turn. I finally grew this awesome beard. It took me my whole life, but keeping it up is no joke. I can't eat a PB&J without losing half of it in there. This is a separate thing, but ever since I started coaching my son's Little League team, I'm in the sun constantly. And I'll be honest, it's put a decade on my face. This Father's Day, I'd love a gift that kills 2 birds with 1 stone. Hera, kids, if you're listening, get me this, the Zeus Father's Day set. I already use the Italian Cypress beard shampoo and conditioner, so I know I like it. But this set comes with everything. Beard oil, beard brush, and a daily facial moisturizer. It'll keep my beard healthy, flake-free, and hydrated with natural ingredients. And that SPF 50 will seriously come in handy when I'm out there baking in the sun, coaching our child. So if your husband, dad, or the bearded guy in your life deserves better than another mug this year, you know what to do. Just grab the Zeus Father's Day set while you still can.